Okay, right now I'm underneath the house, and I am very, very happy to say that all of the plumbing underneath has been finished. I have my hot and cold lines coming from the shower, which was the first part I just showed you, and this section right here is actually the vanity in the bathroom, and over here is a toilet. That is where that drains out into the septic system. And on the other side, actually let me move over there. Okay, so this is the kitchen drain here, and hot and cold. The orange up there is what I marked the hot since I didn't have anything else. And this is the drain leading out. And here it connects with the drain that's coming from the shower vanity, and yes, the shower and the vanity, and it connects right there. I think you can see right in there is where it connects, and then so it connects there and it drains out to here. I just finished digging that hole, as you saw, with all the roots that were in the way. So far I'm about 10 feet out from the house, and this is where the end point is right now, but I'm going to keep that going because what I've done is I've connected the kitchen, the vanity, and the shower all together, because that's actually Greywater. So that's going to come out all the way to here, separate from the toilet, of course. Then that's the end point right now, but I'm going to take it further, and that's going to probably drain into a flower bed area and make use of that water instead of actually putting it in the septic, which would make that full faster, which means I would have to get it pumped out faster. So that is the end of all of the plumbing underneath. Now I'm going to walk you back around to the back of the house. So right in this area here, that is my hot line coming out here. The cold line is coming from here. That's coming actually from the tote on the other end over here. And right here, I'm going to have all the water heater, full house filter, spin down filter, the pump, and then a baffle for storing a little bit of water to reduce the knocking in the pipes. Hopefully I won't get, but hopefully that will happen tomorrow, which is Saturday. If not, then it'll probably happen on Monday, because these days I am taking a break because it ain't necessary to burn myself out, because I'm a good little distance from being done. And once again, over here, I have all of the trees that need to be dealt with because I need to put a storage or something over here. So thus far, we're pretty much on track and on schedule. So we'll see how long that lasts or how far I can get with it. So until then, we will see you on the next one.